Hello. Are you a woman 50 or better who is stressed, depressed, and worried about your business or your life in general and how it's going to progress? Well, maybe you feel like you're doing everything right, but that you're still not getting the results you want. I was there. But I have good news for you. I've created a Feng Shui vision board workshop to help you get past those blockages, to change your energy and help you manifest what you truly desire. It's actually the most effective vision board that I've ever found since I've been using this. And it's all going to happen on December the 29th at 1 p.m. Mountain Time on Zoom right here. I'm going to show you the right colors, the right elements, and the right placement, which is really important to make those goals a reality. Bring a friend and we'll have fun, support each other to manifest all those goals and dreams for 2023 and make 2023 the best year ever for you. So see you on the 29th. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye now.